It's a very interesting khichdi, if I may say, of parties. Does that actually put a spin on the works as far as Maharashtra is concerned? Experts say these 48 seats could be the game changer or could become the talk of this election.
No, these 48 seats are going to overwhelmingly support Prime Minister Modi, and in our 400 plus, there will be at least 42 seats plus coming from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra is going to elections in 5 phases this time. There must be a reason why.
Last time was 4 phases. That's the Election Commission's decision. We respect that. And I can only say that the Mahayuti is completely together, like Fevicol. And you can see the enthusiasm of all the parties in all my rallies.
We're approaching a pit stop, so quickly asking you, Eknath Shinde getting such a lion's share of seats, is that a big risk?
Well, you know, he came with 13 MPs, so logically he was to get as many seats as he got. There's no risk at all. Sena is completely united under him.
But ये sentiment कितना काम करेगा? Because the emotional card is being played big time by the Sharad Pawar, Supriya Sule and also Uddhav Thackeray and Aditya Thackeray.
Yeah, but that emotional card actually is counterproductive on them. They are the ones who've left the main party. The main party, the leader is natural leader of Maharashtra is Ajit Pawar. The whole party is with Ajit Pawar. Sharad Pawar only to voice his daughter on the party decided to leave the party. So it's a one-man show, one-man daughter show. Similarly, the Shiv Sena is wholesomely with Eknath Shinde ji. And the principles of Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde ji is holding up. Hindutva, be it the anti-Congress line of Balasaheb Thackeray. It's only Uddhav Thackeray ji who wanted to foist his son on the party. Who's left? So these are two splinter groups which will have no impact on Maharashtra politics. And the sympathy is with Devendra Fadnavis and Modi ji.
So Maharashtra is not a cause for worry because many believe that this could upset the cart for the BJP and it will actually, more than Lok Sabha, it will explain the dynamics for the elections, the Vidhan Sabha elections towards the end of the year.
No, this is going to be a forerunner in our 400 plus target.